Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Meli. The name of my channel is Meli of the Core. Today we are going to be doing a small upgrade in my laundry room, and we are going to be styling it for the summer season. Come along with me as we do some tiny upgrades in my laundry room. What you are seeing here, guys, I purchased some gold handles from Amazon, and we're just going to be changing the handles on the cabinets on top of the washing machine and also in the sink area. Guys, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, I want to give you a big shout out and a thank you for your love and support. And if you are new here, guys, and you like what you see, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video with a family or friend. I'm still trying to grow my channel, still trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. So give your girl your support by giving the video a thumbs up and sharing it and leaving a comment. I hope you enjoyed this little small upgrade and you enjoy styling this laundry room with me. As you can see, guys, I've already installed all the handles. As I've always said, you don't need a lot of money to make your home look high-end or expensive. Just by changing the handles, it just gave the laundry room such a different look by doing just the handles that I purchased from Amazon. And I think I got these handles for like less than $10. This is the bracket that I'm gonna be changing the shelf that's on top of the sink. This is the old shelf that I had there. As you can see, it was old. Those brackets at the bottom, I hated them. I needed to upgrade those brackets, and I also purchased the shelf brackets on Amazon. I believe they came in a pack of 4 or 6, I believe 6, and I think I paid like $15 for them, and that made such a big difference with the look of the laundry room just by doing these small upgrades. What I'm doing there, guys, I'm just measuring the shelf to make sure that the bracket, it's 3 bracket, that the middle one is actually in the middle of the shelf so that it could be evenly spaced out. So I'm just using my measuring tape, measuring it, and actually putting one of the brackets in the middle of the shelf. That I need to patch up from removing the shelf, and we're gonna get going and we're gonna do that. Alright guys, as you can see, I've already installed the shelf. This little dry decks is what I'm going to be using to patch up the walls, and because I have a lot of holes in the walls when I remove the shelf, so that's what I'm going to be using to patch up the wall.
Alright guys, we are back. So I've already patched up all the holes in the wall, guys. I use this little dry decks or whatever you want to call it. I got it from Home Depot. I patched up all the little holes that I had from removing the old shelf. Then I went and I got paint from Home Depot. I try to match the same existing paint, which I'm not quite sure yet, because when I'm looking from far away, I could tell the difference in color. Like when you look up here, you're going to see that. So I'm waiting to see when it dries up completely 100% if it's going to have this different shade of color. and then I'm gonna have to go back to Home Depot. But overall, this side looks good. I patched all the holes, and we are gonna be installing the shelf and decorating the laundry room. Over on this side, guys, I wanted to point out a few things. I picked up this shelf here. They call it the washer and dryer counter shelf. I picked it up from the TikTok shop. I absolutely love it. You can only use it on front loaders. If you have a top loader, of course, you can buy that. But I just bought it just to, maybe lay a tray on it, or if I'm folding clothes, I could just sit it on top of it real quick. And on top of the cabinet, I've already added some decor up there. I bought those two little pedestal um, pieces from, I can't remember where, but they were in the color pink, and I painted them gold. And I have my little wall art that I've already added there with the lighting over it, which I have to center. But guys, the handles I put on the cabinet doors are beautiful. Just see, that's what I'm saying. Like, any little small upgrades can make a big impact, a big impact. I just changed the handles on the doors. I changed them on all the doors, and you could see such a big difference in the laundry room. In the shelf, I had the old shelf, put some new shelf with the gold bracket, and it's beautiful. The only thing I regretted not doing, I just changed this faucet because my old one broke, and I didn't even think about it. I should have got a gold one when I replaced it, and I didn't think about it that I was gonna change the handles to gold. I should have gotten a gold faucet and have it replaced, but it's just gonna have to stay like that because we did pay someone to put it in because my husband had a hard time taking it out. So it's just gonna have to stay like that for now. But at least it matches the sink, and it matches like a little bit of the stuff from the washer and dryer, like the little accent pieces on the washer and dryer. But guys, disregard that little patch you see at the bottom here. I'm still working on that. I had to patch it up. I'm just waiting for it to dry so I can sand it down and paint it. But overall, everything looks good with the patching of the wall. So we are going to be styling the laundry room now, guys. I'll be back.
Take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see beauty lives in promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. It's gonna take some time to get there. I don't care, I don't care. I'm in for the fight. It's gonna take some time, but I know that beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty